Hey guys, in this video we're continuing our road trip to the great state of South Dakota.
We're going to enjoy places like Rapid City, Mount Rushmore, and the Deadwoods.
So stick around because there's a lot of nuances in between all those cool places. This is going to be a good one. All right guys, check this out. This is, we were just driving down that highway way out there, and we ran across all of these bikes. Look at this. It's a bike sculpture. I don't know what started it. I don't know why it exists. But you can walk in here and I mean, holy cow. Look at the amount of bikes. This was some little girl's favorite Christmas present or something one day. And some handlebars strapped on there. Holy moly. This is a lot of bikes. You can see it looks like it must have started way back when. With some of these rusty bikes, I mean, the tires have just rotted off of this thing. This is the town of Custer. There's a saloon. Pizza Hut right in town. Lots of buffaloes. Bison. I guess they're bison. Speaking of bison, is he made out of firewood?
What are you going to pay with? There's a kiosk you just passed.
Oh. Hello.
Our park pass is $25. It's good for 7 days.
Okay.
Bison, coyotes, bighorn sheep, mountain goats, pronghorns, burros, which are those little donkeys that walk down the road, I think.
Buffalo are dangerous. Do not approach.
What if they approach us? Is that allowed?
I think so. If there was something out there.
There's something.
What?
No, it's a rock. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Roller.
I was gonna say there's gotta be something.
I thought it was a sheep with its head down.
I know exactly what rock you're talking
Yeah.
about too.
Here's a glimpse of the cabins from inside Custer State Park. Looks like it keeps going a little bit.
Yeah, but that's where it dead ends.
So what's going on here? Oh, this is the Bluebell Lodge Resort.
Well, there's
They get ready to go on
a hayride.
Chuck wagon dinner.
Oh my gosh, look at all those hats. Holy cow.
I don't know if you can see it, but if you look way out there, there's a bison moving. He's just turned around. He's heading back up the hill. I snapped a couple pictures. Take a look. Now what do we have? Ooh, a pronghorn. And the wildlife keep coming. We found this little pull-off where a bunch of people are out here watching, probably about a dozen burros. Check out these donkeys, guys. They're all over the place. We were heading out. We're like, look, there's donkeys everywhere. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's just a little guy, huh? Cheyenne's out here getting some photo shoot going. It's amazing out here, guys. The weather is absolutely beautiful. The view, I mean, I don't know if this camera does it justice, but just look at that up there. We have the sun setting. There's Ricky doing some photography for Cheyenne.
Dad, are you coming?
And Mama's up here waiting to, maybe for dinner or who knows what. You having a good time?
I am.
Yeah, you hear these guys? They're out there fussing at each other. I'm gonna get the drone out real quick and see if we can fly over them without disturbing them. Few places in America let you witness a bison herd this massive and this wild. Custer State Park is home to over 1,400 free-roaming bison. They're descendants of just 36 animals brought here more than a century ago. All right, guys, we are headed into, what's this place called? Mount Rushmore.
Miss it.
Welcome to Mount Rushmore, y'all.
Ice cream, marketplace, pulled pork, tacos, goodies, and lemonade. Gift shop. Anything good in there?
You got them all in there, not in a vertical photo. Welcome to downtown Rapid City. We are going to this place right here, Firehouse Wine Cellars. It's like it used to be the firehouse, Cheyenne. The garage doors. And now it's a brewery. Go ahead, guys. Okay, I got the Piggy and Grinner. That's pork with some white sauce, green beans. Ricky got a queso burger, baked potato, kids pulled pork sandwich. Firefighter, is that the big people's? Big people's pulled pork sandwich?
8.5.
8.5. Between all of us, we averaged up all the scores. Firehouse Brewery, 8.5. Cool place. I think everybody liked the atmosphere. Cool place. Looks like an old firehouse. We are heading to a place called Needles Highway. It's supposed to be a very scenic route. some of the craziest switchbacks I've ever seen. Now, granted, I'm from Florida, but this is nuts. Look at this. What the heck is going on here? Holy.
This is Needles Eye Tunnel.
If you've never been here before, this is absolutely nuts. Look at this. Like, I don't even know if I can walk in there without being at risk. Yeah, here comes a car. See that? Here comes a car around. Are you kidding me? It's like one at a time. And look at the trees growing up through there. Holy moly. And then here comes another one. This is nuts. Nook and cranny type place up in here. I'm right next to the bridge. Like, I don't even know how that stuff got up there. But look at these things sticking up. How does this even happen? How does this structure even get here? But look at those pointed rocks. I don't even understand how this naturally can happen. Somebody who knows more about science than I do, please let me know how this just happens. I know it probably happens over time, but what in the world? Like, why isn't this even falling down? Here we go, guys.
It's chilly.
Y'all are gonna have to back off. Only one car fits. There's water dripping through. Holy cow. That's nuts. All right, guys, this is the parking area. That's the tunnel right over there that we just came through. We don't like to graffiti things up, but when we find people putting stickers everywhere, we chime in. So we got an Outdoors with Rich sticker and a Field and Focal. By the way, that's where you can catch all of our wildlife and landscape photos. This is when Cheyenne realized Mom was filming me taking pictures. And here comes the Iron Creek Tunnel. All right, guys, just like that, another day is in the books. Here we are. There's Cheyenne. There's Mom. Ricky's in a room over there doing something. And this is our hotel for the next couple nights. So tomorrow, I think we are hitting Deadwood and Sturgis. See you in the morning. As we walk through saloon number 10, it's worth mentioning this isn't the actual site where Wild Bill Hickok was shot. It just carries the name. The real spot is down the street, now marked by Wild Bill's Bar. Actual sawdust floors. And speaking of Wild Bill, he was closely tied to Buffalo Bill Cody, another legendary figure we touched on in our last video. These two icons helped shape the myth of the Wild West. Cheers, y'all, from Wild Bill Saloon, or Bar. Is it Wild Bill Bar? It's Wild Bill Bar. Cheers.
While we were there, we bumped into some fellow YouTubers, Greg and Andrea, with Chasing Crows.
All right, guys, we are leaving Deadwood, South Dakota. The cool thing is, though, is Bike Week is next week in Sturgis, which means that city's ramping up. Bikes are moving in, the town's ready, and we're gonna go check it out. This is the 85th Sturgis, 85th anniversary of Sturgis Bike Week, and we are at Sturgis Harley-Davidson. Look at this. Look at this bike selection. Holy cow. Look at this. This thing is sweet. I have a motorcycle license. I haven't owned a bike in years. I never have owned a Harley, but I'm a big fan. These things are beautiful, and they're all decked out. Well, not all of them, but they're decked out in the 85th Sturgis. Oh, and check out Ricky. He's sporting his Sturgis shirt. He likes this one. You think you'd be good on that, bud? Here's one right here. $31,000 basically. This is my idea of a bike. I love that gray. Engineered in Wisconsin, assembled in Pennsylvania. American made, baby. Right here, babe. Your head's going the wrong way. Well, why do you say that? Here's the price right here on
I'm not worried about
$29,999. $50,000 for this bad boy right here. But check it out. Oh, look at this screen. Look at this, Ricky. Nice screen. And 1 week before Bike Week, we just happened to be here. We had to check it out. And look at that. If you didn't think that that tent wasn't enough bikes, look at this. They have a whole nother tent filled with motorcycles. Just like that. It's time to pull the stickers off. It's starting to get dark on our last night here in South Dakota. We've been on a weeks-long vacation, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. This trip involved some really cool scenes for me and my family, and we've enjoyed the heck out of it, and it's been a pleasure to share it with you guys. So appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We have some really cool stuff coming up, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.